Camera devices. In today's high-tech century, every day we will see different technical advancements in all fields. In this lesson, we are going to discuss different advanced cameras used in different fields. So let's start. Firstly, let's take cameras used in movie making. The movie camera is a type of photographic camera which takes a rapid sequence of photographs on strips of film. In contrast to a still camera, which captures a single snapshot at a time, the movie camera takes a series of images, each called a frame. This is accomplished through an intermittent mechanism. The frames are later played back in a movie projector at a specific speed, called the frame rate, which is a number of frames per second. While viewing, a person's eyes and brain merge the separate pictures together to create the illusion of motion. Next is Handycam. Handycam is a Sony brand used to market its camcorder range. It was launched in 1985 as the name of the first Video 8 camcorder, replacing Sony's previous line of Betamax-based models, and the name was intended to emphasize the handy palm-sized nature of the camera, made possible by the new miniaturized tape format. This was in marked contrast to the larger, shoulder-mounted cameras available before the creation of Video 8, and competing smaller formats such as VHS-C. Sony has continued to produce handycams in a variety of guises ever since, developing the Video 8 format to produce High 8, equivalent to Super VHS quality, and later Digital 8, using the same basic format to record digital video. The Handycam label continues to be applied as recording formats evolve. High-definition camera, HD. The Panavision HD 900F is the first high-definition camera that records in 24 frames per second format. In 1997, Panavision and Sony collaborated to develop the first ever high-definition movie camera. 3 CCD cameras. A charge-coupled device, CCD, is a device for the movement of electrical charge. CCDs contain grids of pixels, are used in digital cameras, optical scanners, and video cameras as light-sensing devices. They commonly respond to 70% of the incident light. That means a quantum efficiency of about 70%, which makes them far more efficient than photographic film, which captures only about 2% of the incident light. Most common types of CCDs are sensitive to near-infrared light, which allows infrared photography, night vision devices, and zero-lux video recording and photography. One other consequence of their sensitivity to infrared is that infrared from remote controls often appears on CCD-based digital cameras or camcorders if they do not have infrared blockers. Betacam is a family of half-inch professional videotape products developed by Sony from 1982 onwards. In colloquial use, Betacam, singly, is often used to refer to a Betacam camcorder, a Betacam tape, a Betacam video recorder, or the format itself. All Betacam variants, from plain Betacam to Betacam SP and digital Betacam, use the same shaped cassettes, meaning vaults and other storage facilities do not have to be changed when upgrading to a new format. The cassette comes in 2 sizes, S and L. Betacam cameras can only load S tapes, while VTRs can play both S and L tapes. The cassette shell and case for each Betacam cassette is colored differently depending on the format, allowing for easy visual identification. There is also a mechanical key that allows a videotape recorder to tell which format has been inserted. The format supplanted the 3/4-inch U-matic format, which Sony had introduced in 1971. In addition to improvements in video quality, the Betacam configuration of an integrated camera and recorder led to its rapid adoption by electronic news gathering organizations. Even though Betacam remains popular in the field and for archiving, new digital products such as the multi-access video disc recorder are leading to a phasing out of Betacam products in a studio environment. Webcam. A webcam is a video capture device connected to a computer or computer network, often using a USB port or, if connected to a network, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Their most popular use is for video telephony, permitting a computer to act as a videophone or video conferencing station. Other popular uses, which include the recording of video files or even still images, are accessible via numerous software programs, applications, and devices. They are well known for their low manufacturing costs and flexibility. Last but not the least is camera phone. A camera phone is a mobile phone which is able to capture either still photographs or motion video. Today, more than half of all mobile phones in use are camera phones.